Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you the easiest step that you will learn if you are learning how to crochet. Well, this garment is basic and it's very easy to follow. So this garment is perfect for beginners. So don't worry, I will give you the step by step and I will give you all my secrets and tips. If you want, you can make it shorter or you can make it longer. And this stitch is very simple. And also you can make the set. Later, you can make the skirt too. Well, let's don't lose more time. I will give you the material list. Let's start. Well, this top is for my niece. She's 15 years old, so it is a small size. So I will use 200 grams of this light material number 3 and I will combine with this color. So I will use 100 each color and I will use the hook of number 3. But well, before we start, it's important that you subscribe. Then I will give you the step by step. Well, with one thread and with our hook, we will start making chains. We are going to make the width from one arm to the other, passing through the chest. I will make 130 chains for this small size. Well, remember I made 130 chains and in measure 45 centimeters, just the part of the front. So if this top goes all around, it will measure 90 centimeters. Okay? Well, let's imagine that I already have the 130 chains. So I'm going to close in circle. I will check that I didn't twist. So once I'm ready, I'm going to slip one to close. Okay, once you have the chains that you need. We will go up with 3 chains and then we will make 1 double crochet in each chain, okay? So at the end we must have 130 double crochet. And also, please check that you don't twist, okay? That you crochet straight. So let's continue making double crochet. Also, please check at the end you don't twist and then we will close in circle again, slipping 1. Well, now we are going to change color. To start with the new row, we are going to make a knot before we change, okay? It's very important because when you wash your top or so, well, it is important. You don't want to damage. Well, and to start, we are going to take only the white color. We are going to slip 1 to start between stitches to alternate, right? We will go up with 4 chains and right there we are going to make a double crochet. Skip 1, 2 and 3 and right there we are going to make a double crochet, 1 chain, and in the same space a double crochet to make a V. You see, again skip 3, a double crochet, 1 chain, and in the same space a double crochet. And like this we are going to continue the whole row, okay? Between these we are going to skip 3 spaces and between double crochet we are going to make a chain. So we'll see you at the end of the row. Well, at the end of the row we are going to slip 1 to close, and as you could see I didn't cut the red thread, remember? So I'm going to take it from the back, I'm going to take it and slip 1. So now I'm going to go up with 1, 2, 3 and in the same space a double crochet, again a third double crochet inside the V's, yarn over, and in the next space of the next V 3 double crochets again. And like this we are going to continue the whole row without making any chain between sections of 3, okay? Well, at the end of the row we are going to slip 1 to close, and again like we didn't cut, we are going to take now the white thread behind and we will continue. Sorry, I was about to give you this tip. So when we are about to change color, we are going to take right away the other color. Okay, so we will start right here. We will go up with 4 chains, then in the same space a double crochet, and now we are going to make the V rows, remember? So we will skip this section of 3 and in the next space a V, so a double crochet, 1 chain, and again a double crochet, and like this we are going to continue the whole row. So well, like this we are going to alternate rows, okay? Once we are going to make the double crochet row and once we are going to make the V rows. Look, I made in this red color 9 rows, okay? I already measured and I made 15 centimeters. My niece want a crop top, so that's why I make it shorter. But well, if you want, you can make more rows. You can continue making and alternating these rows and following these instructions. Remember, I made 130 chains and I'm making this for a 15-year-old and it's a small size. So well, we are going to make now the straps. We are going to make a long strip of chains that goes from here to the other side, that covers the shoulder and also part of the back. You will decide how many chains you need and then I will show you how we are going to continue. Well, I made 55 chains. You have to make sure, it will depend of course of the size and of the person, also of the chest and many other things, but well, in my case I made 55 chains. And remember, what we made in this strap we are going to make it in the other, so you will follow the same instructions. And now I'm going to measure from here to here how much. So we have 25 centimeters, so we will leave the same distance in the other strap. Okay, so also take that into account. And well, at the end, when we have the chains that we need, we are going to slip one to join, sorry. We will go up with 3 chains. We will insert the hook here in the edge of the top, and now we are going to make a double crochet in each chain. We are going to repeat this double crochet um, in this strap, and remember we are going to repeat the same in the other strap too. And well, if you want, you can make the straps with more rows. If not, you can leave it like this and just slip one and join with the edge of the top, and well, at the end you can make a row, an extra row with this thread, or you can change. In my case, I will use the white thread like this. Well, fortunately I didn't got this white thread, so I'm just going to pull it and take the stitch. I will make a knot here in the back. Remember, it's very important that we make sure that we won't have any loose thread, and with the time and with the wash sometimes we may damage, so be careful and pay attention to these small details. So well, here all around I will make a row. Yes, I will make a row of crab stitch in this side of the strap and also in the other side, and while I make this I will hide this thread, so like this until I finish. Well, here at the end in the back I'm going to pass this thread and I'm going to continue in the other side. I will make crab stitch too, and with this we finish. We are going to follow the same instructions in the other strap, okay? And also, if you want and if you consider, you can iron with steam using a protection under, very light, very soft. Um, but if not, you can leave it like this. You will see. If you like, you can iron it. If not, you can leave it like this. And remember, also you can make it longer, shorter. You will decide the colors, the combination. I think this stitch is very simple and very useful also for your coming projects. And as I told you, you can complete the set and you can make the skirt using the same colors and using the same stitch. Well, now let's see how it looks. So well, what do you think? As you could see, this is the easiest top that you will learn how to make. If you're a beginner, well, this project is perfect. I hope that you have enjoyed making, and also try to include your kids, all your daughters, in these activities. I think that this activity is perfect for them. They can perfectly make this top for them, and they can start their own business, right? So as I told you, you can make and complete this set, making a skirt, making a short, make it longer, or you can continue and you can make a dress too. But well, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave me a comment. Please let me know if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like, and also don't forget to follow me in all my social media. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the coming video. Bye!